Okay. Shazan, now tell me what is different between tha and za?
Mm,
Do you
Za
know?
has no dot and Ta has no dot.
Okay, very good. You're good boy. Good job. Okay. Now tell me this one, please. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Say louder.
Okay.
This one. Tell me, what is this?
Um. Um.
This one.
I don't know. I don't know about it.
Okay, no problem. This is called Zod.
Zod.
Okay, and Zod has.
One dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Um. Um.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you know?
No.
Okay, this is called Sod.
Pod.
Okay, very good. Now tell me what is different between Sod and Sod.
Zod has one dot.
Okay.
Pod has no dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Um. C.
What do you say?
C.
Okay. Are you saying seen or sheen?
Sheen.
No, it's wrong. This is called sheen.
Sheen.
Okay, sheen has.
Three dot.
Okay, and what is this?
Sheen.
Okay, seen has.
No dot.
Okay, now tell me what is different between seen and sheen.
Sheen has three dot.
Okay.
And sheen has no dot.
Oh, it's wrong. Sheen has three dots and seen has no dot. Okay. Okay, read it again.
She has three dots
Okay.
and seen has no dot.
Okay, very good. You're a good boy. Now tell me what is this?
Za
Okay, and Za has.
one dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Bro.
Okay, very good. Good job. Now tell me what is different between Ra and Sa. Do you
Za
know?
has one dot and bro has no dot.
Okay, very good. Now tell me what is this?
Um, Zal
Okay, Dal has.
one dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Um, Dal
Okay, and Dal has.
no dot.
Okay, now tell me what is different between them.
I think Dal one dot.
Okay,
Dal no dot.
okay, very good. You're a good boy. Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now tell me.
Then I should close the door.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Oh,
Okay, very good. And Kha has.
One dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Ha.
Okay, and ha has?
No dot.
Okay, you
Ow.
good boy. Okay, now tell me what is this?
Gym.
Okay, Jim has?
One dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Star.
Okay, Sa has?
Three dot.
2, 3,
Yeah.
3 dots. Okay,
Yes.
now tell me what is this?
The
Okay, Ta has?
two dot.
Okay, what is this?
Ba.
Ba has?
One dot.
Okay, now tell me what is different between Ba, Ta and Sa?
Star has three dot. Star has two dot, and bow has one dot.
Okay, now tell me what is this?
Alif.
Okay, and Alif has?
No dot.
Okay, very good. You're good boy. Okay, now tell me what is this?
Lam.
Okay, and